Hey guys, welcome to Biker Baker and Mr. Smith. Today we're going to do a small batch Snickerdoodles. And when I say small batch, I mean small batch. It only takes 6 tablespoons of flour. And an egg yolk. So we're going to try, I've never tried it. We're going to try it and we'll show you what we got. First off, 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter. And a 1/4 cup of sugar. Guys, we're going to mix that all together and cream that together, and we'll be back. All right, you got that all mixed up, that little bit right there. Now we're going to put in 1 egg yolk and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Just a 1/4. Okay. Mix that up real good. I'm sure you could probably do this all by hand because not that much.
Yeah, that's not going to make many cookies at all.
Small batch. Just enough for you.
Sounds like a good plan to me.
Yeah. And then I have 6 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure I get all that out there since it's only 1/8. And 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Let's put that in there. Get that all mixed up a little bit. Put that in there. And then we'll see what we get. Hope you guys are having a good week. We're not doing too bad. Today's Tuesday. This will be up tomorrow for Wednesday. So the wind is terrible here in Southern Ohio today, isn't it?
Oh, it's terrible.
We got to take our trash down, but we're going to wait till the wind dies down a little bit, I think. Let me see what we got as far as consistency. No, it's too dry, I think. Let's put a little bit of butter in that. Hang on. All right, guys. I did put in a 1/2 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. Use some kind of oil, heavy whipping cream, butter, something like that. And then we've got this. So this is cookie texture here now. So let's see how many we're going to make. We're going to pinch them off here. About a teaspoon each or however. So we're going to get about 6 out of it. So this is a small batch. That way it'll keep you from eating a dozen of them or 3 dozen. So I have a tablespoon of sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon in here. So the oven's preheated to 375. Roll these into a ball. Put them into your cinnamon and sugar. Roll them around. Put them on your parchment paper. So guys, 6. That's perfect for us. Well, for Billy. He got a 1/2 gallon of milk a while ago, so he's good.
I don't know if 6 is quite enough.
Oh, I know. If they were chocolate chip cookie, man.
Oh, yeah. If they were chocolate chip cookies, you'd have to make me at least a dozen.
I'd have to not make a small batch of those.
No.
When I told him I was making these, he's like, what are Snickerdoodles? Like he never had them before.
Well, you know my favorite chocolate chip.
Yeah. Not mine. I like a good Snickerdoodle.
Or peanut butter cookies. I like those.
Yeah. All right. So let's put these in the oven for, I don't know, 8 minutes or so. And we'll be right back and show you what they look like. All right, guys. They was in my oven for 9 minutes. This is what they look like. They look really good. They smell good. There's the bottom.
It does smell good.
All right. And soft. Let's give them a try. I could eat all 6. So good, guys. I started to have my doubts, but I fixed it. I will put that in the description box, how much of everything else that I used. And if you only need 6 cookies, give these a try. I know, who just needs 6 cookies, right?
Right. That's
Could
just
make one big cookie, too.
That's just getting started.
I know, for you. So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Small batch Snickerdoodle cookies.
Yummy.